How to create chat theme on Instagram with AI. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, or you can rather simply tap on the DM section at the top right. Now select any of the chat that you want to change your theme or create a theme over here. Now tap on their profile over here at the top, and then here you can see the option of theme. So this is set as default right now, but you can just change it by tapping on theme and you'll be able to see different options over here. You can select whichever theme is more convenient and more suitable for you. So I'm going to select on this one over here, and you can get the preview over here like this. So you can just tap on select and you can just go back, and here you can see theme. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.